Forgot your Instagram password and feeling locked out? No worries, we've got your back. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to regain access to your Instagram account even if you've forgotten your password. If you get this screen, just click on Forget Password link. Here either provide your Instagram username or email. For demonstration, I am using email. This email must be the one you used when creating your Instagram account. Additionally, you will receive a code in this email that you need to enter later. Then click on Find Account button. Now, Instagram has sent you an email. Go and check your email. It may take some time to receive the email. You can see I have received an email from Instagram. Just click on this email and note down the 6-digit code. Then come to the Instagram and use this 6-digit code. Then click on Continue button. Now, provide a new password for Instagram, and you will be able to log in to Instagram as shown here. After entering password, click on Continue button. You can see I am able to log in to Instagram. You can also log into your Instagram account if you have the phone number you used to log into Instagram. Let's explore how to access Instagram with a phone number. Click on Forget Password link. Click on Search by mobile number instead link. Then, in the text box, provide the phone number you used for Instagram. Then click on Find Account button. Then click on Get Code or Link via SMS. Then click on Continue button. Now, you should have received an SMS with a 6-digit code on the provided phone number. Just paste that code here and click on Continue. Then provide new password and click on Continue button to get back your Instagram. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.